Connection established.
Ladies and gentlemen, classmates, and esteemed teacher, good day. It is with great pleasure and genuine excitement that I stand before you today to address a matter of utmost importance, one that has become increasingly prevalent in the digital landscape of our time. It is a subject that touches the very core of communication, free expression, and the responsibility we bear as a global society. Today, I advocate for the needs for YouTube, one of the world's most influential platforms, to exercise diligent monitoring of comments. In the fast expanse of cyberspace, YouTube has emerged as a beacon of connectivity, a platform that transcends borders, languages, and cultures. It has given voice to the voiceless, provided a stage for creativity, and fostered a sense of community like never before. However, with great powers comes great responsibility, and it's incumbent upon us to ensure that this power is harnessed in a responsible and ethical manner. One aspect of YouTube that requires immediate attention is monitoring of comments. While comment sections have the potential to facilitate meaningful dialogue, exchange of ideas, and constructive feedback, they have also become breeding ground for toxicity, harassments, and hate speech. The anonymity and distance afforded by the digital realm often embolden individuals to engage in the behavior they would never dare exhibit in person, resulting in a toxic environment that is detrimental to the well-being of users and overall discourse. Monitoring comments on YouTube is not about stifling free speech. Rather, it's about establishing a framework that promotes respectful communication, safeguards against harm, and upholds the principle of equality, diversity, and inclusivity. Just as we have guidelines and regulation in place to ensure responsible conduct in our physical communities, the digital landscape must also adhere to a set of standards that foster a safe and inclusive environment for all. By implementing robust monitoring mechanism, YouTube can actively identify and remove comments that incite violence, propagate hate speech, or perpetuate discrimination. This proactive approach not only safeguards the mental and emotional well-being of users but also protect marginalized communities that are disproportionately targeted by online abuse. It sends a powerful message that YouTube stands firmly against hate and intolerance, and it's committed to fostering a space where individuals from all walks of life can feel respected and heard. Moreover, monitoring comments can help curtail the spread of misinformation and disinformation, an urgent challenge into this era of fake news and deepfakes. By monitoring comments, YouTube can identify and address the dissemination of false or misleading information, thereby playing a crucial role in combating the erosion of trust and promoting factual accuracy. Some may argue that monitoring comments is an arduous task, given the vast amount of content uploaded to YouTube every minute. However, technological advancement coupled with the dedication of the well-equipped modernization team can help tackle this challenge. Machine learning, algorithms, natural language process, and users reported flag can also contribute to the development of efficient and effective monitoring system. In conclusion, the need for YouTube to monitor comments is not a call for censorship, but a call for responsible digital citizenship. It is a plea to recognize the profound influence of this platform and wield the influence in a manner that promotes unity, understanding, and empathy. By fostering an environment of respectful dialogue, by eradicating hate speech and harassment, and by curbing spread of misinformation, YouTube can truly become a force for good platform that empowers, enlightens, and uplifts individuals around the globe. Let us seize this moment to advocate for change, to demand a digital landscape that reflects the values we hold dear. Together, we can forge a path towards safer, more inclusive YouTube that nurtures the potential of humans' connection, amplifies diverse voices, and paves the way to a brighter digital future. Thank you, and let's embark on this journey for responsible digital citizenship together.